Welcome. In this video you learn how to get the highest point and the lowest point of a given range. We could also maybe include maybe getting the middle point of a range, a given range. Let's say for example a range of 20 bars. This can enable us to maybe say to make our evaluation on, let's say, contraction, expansion. We could get range breaks, something like that. We could use it for reversals. We could use it for anything which we want. So the code actually is extremely simple. We just use the function I highest and I lowest, all right, and that's it. So let's get started. So to get the highest bar, of course, and the lowest bar, we use I highest and I lowest. So we could say we could say these are integers. Int lowest bar of a given range is going to be equal to, let's say for example, I lowest. The symbol, we're going to use the current symbol. Time frame, we're going to use the current time frame. The close, we're going to use close prices. Lowest bar, actually, we're going to use the lowest prices. And the arrays, the all arrays, we're going to use, let's say, range. Range. We're going to create a variable called range, which you can adjust. We're going to say input range is equal to, in this case let's use 20 for simplicity, at the range of 20 bars. So range, and then we're going to the start value, we're going to start from the previous candle, and then int highest bar is going to be equal to I highest. Same stuff. Symbol, we're going to use current symbol. Time frame, current time frame. The mode, we're going to use the highest, and of course the range, and then we're also going to be starting from the most previous candle, and then going backwards 20 bars to get the highest or the lowest bars. And all right. If we want to get the value, for example, the highest point, this gives us the bars. Let's say for example, we have a range, a given range. Alright. I think I need to create something, an illustration for you. I think it's paint. It's called paint, I think. Let me get this paint. Alright. Assuming this is our range, just for example, and this is, for example, our prices. What the I highest and the I lowest will give us is the numbering of the bars. Remember, we count from 0, 1, 2, going backwards. So this could be, let's say for example 7, this could be 10. The highest point could be at 10. So it gives us the number of these bars, but not the values. So to get the values, we use the normal function for getting the high and the low prices. So for example, if we want to get highest point, in this case it's going to be double highest price is going to be equal to I high symbol, current symbol, of course, time frame, current time frame, and then the shift, we're going to use the highest bar to get the price of the highest bar. Alright, that's it. Also the same for the lowest price. Lowest price, we are going to use I low, and then we're going to use the lowest bar. lowest bar, right? And that's it. So if one to maybe check if, let's say for example, the if the ask has gone up, the highest price, of course, we could say if, for example, symbol info double current symbol and symbol ask. Let's for example, if the ask, all right, if the ask is greater than the highest price, all right, um, we could maybe comment, please buy. Could say maybe please buy or sell or sell or sell or whatever, anything you want to maybe comment, or if you want to enter buy position, you could enter the buy position from here. So if you're done, you just compile. Oh, declaration, sorry, it's an integer, sorry, input int range, yes, no errors, and that's the simple code. So to get the lowest bar, the highest bar, use highest and lowest. For the highest price, you just get high and then you import in the bar. For the lowest price, you do the same. Then you could do any calculation you want. Let's say, for example, we want to test for contraction, all right, and expansions. I think I should make another video on contraction and expansions. So in this case, we're going to use two ranges, all right? I think for the moment, this is enough for just maybe getting the highest and the lowest points. We could see the applicabilities maybe in other videos. Thank you.